Alright, well today's the day we're going to find out what this thing weighs. I'm going to get the scales underneath it, jack it up one by one. I'm going to check the front axle, see what it's at first, get the jack under the back. I have a few things sitting in the trunk, which you saw, sway bar, some miscellaneous brackets and whatnot. I don't know how much fuel is actually in the tank, so I'm kind of overcompensating. But I figured full tank of gas where this thing's normally going to run at, so I put a little extra weight back there. But up front, the only thing we're missing up here really is fluids. Even though the headers are laying in there, you saw the exhaust sitting on top, which that exhaust likely won't be able to be used again. The side exit deal, it's going to interfere with a few things. So again, just kind of throwing things together. Has the existing drive shaft, which needs to be shortened by 13 inches. So there's some more weight that'll come off, but I'm excited to see what this thing's going to weigh. Alright, front axle on there, 1,400-ish pounds. If this thing's 50-50, it's going to come in under 2,900 pounds. I'm getting anxious. Let's get the jack underneath the back. Crossing fingers. Holy cow. It is rear heavy right now. Alright, well I'm not too worried about the cross weights. I've got 35 pounds of pressure on all the tires, sway bars disconnected. And the coils basically just all with zero preload. So no driver in just yet. I know I don't have any fluids in the front though. So there's no oil in the engine and I've got no coolant in the radiator or radiator hoses. But I don't care. That's a win. Now I'm gonna hop in, see what it does. Alright, well I kind of figured that driver's seat is back pretty far. It actually moved into the rearward position once I got in it. So that was actually back about where Jason would sit. He's a lot taller than I am, and he's about 20 pounds heavier. But we're about 50 pounds heavy on the rear, so we might add 30 or 40 up front once we got all the fluids in it. But I think we're sitting pretty good, 3,100-ish pounds and 50-50.